Brittany, listen. Nobody not tell you nothing. Listen. Are you the good? Yeah, showcasing and you get the raping a little girl. You don't remember your past. You don't remember your past. People are watching on the net knowing that nobody cares about you. All along it was a fever. Yeah, you're alone. You alone, people are spinning a dance hall. Look at the name that you raise on the you raise on the Bible seems one, you raise a name on the internet and you make them a water down your name, little girl. The selector and you on stage a fight will come in the audience, everybody want a bite. And one thing me glad about you, Brittany, me I tell you the truth. Feeling sorry, I don't know. Honestly, me numb towards the situation. And one thing me glad say, God spare you and you reach home safely. That's the only thing me glad for. God spare you and you reach home safely. That's the only thing me glad for. But you need a wake up call, Brittany, man. You're too careless. You can't ban careless and one day careless. You need a wake up call, man, little girl. And everybody like you, you're not star to everybody. If you're not star to your brothers and sisters, or if you be star to people out the road, stop force people to see you as Brittany, TikTok queen. Nobody not even, some people not even have megabytes. You talk about you want them to see you. Some people not even know you look or you steal or you smell. You have to take care of you. You. Every time you're ball on the net, somebody abuse you. As if you're homeless. They treat you according to how you carry yourself. Me don't know how you for dress and go dance and people want to tear you up and you don't have no mate. Me can't understand that. Nobody no say you can't party and go, but take it slow.